Well, today we're back with another unboxing tonight. And this time it's a full case. Once again, it is the Mega Space Molly. Oh, sorry, this is Space Molly Mega 100% Series 3. Look at the lineup. That's cute. Why? Other Care Bears and Garfield in the same series. It's just too cute. I can't. It was so hard to resist buying this. So here we are with our first Molly case. Do you guys collect Mollies? Just a me thing. If you're an avid Molly collector, let me know why. I'm actually quite excited for this. There's 3 secrets that you can get. So I don't know, it just feels like your chances of getting a secret higher with like more secrets out there. I don't know. Maybe it's just like a placebo thing. Let me open this. Look, it's not the box's problem. It's a me problem. I have some coordination issues, guys. Like we all know this. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's cool. You know, I really love buying full cases because I feel like I'm at the shop. Like I'm in POPMART and I destroyed the box. Damn it. I'm not the brightest bulb in the room. Okay. We didn't have to tear the Molly. Okay. Let's get to it. All the Mollies to open. Okay. Oh wait. We gotta tear the sides. Let's go, guys. Are you ready for Molly unboxing number 1? I like the design on the box, but it's really simple. I think the Molly on the box is pretty cool. What is she? She's Peach 2016. Okay, well, I actually just want heartfelt words. I know there's a bigger version of this, like a 400% version, I think. It would be cool to get that. Let's see. Our first Molly like ever. I've never unboxed a Molly. So, I'm curious to see if... Oh, no, we don't want to. Curious to see if I'm gonna like it. Wait, what do you know, guys? Didn't I just say I wanted this? And we got her. Beginner's luck with the Molly. Maybe I have... Wait, she has a gun. Maybe I have a good luck with Mollies and just like none with anything else that I want. These are pom-poms, I'm pretty sure. Inside. I love the color scheme. It's pink. It's beautiful. It's a Molly. Jan comes with her gun. Why does she need such a big bag for a tiny gun? But here it is. Oh, her hands are twistable. Okay, that's cool. Her hands are twistable. How do you... Oh my lord. It's like this. What is wrong with me? What? I don't even know. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, it was the terrific and I was holding. Look at that. That's cool. It's pretty freaking cool to me. And her helmet is functional. Wait, what's the story of Molly? She's an astronaut? She's always in an astronaut costume, so I'm guessing she's an astronaut. Pretty cool astronaut costume. She's a space girl, alien girl, I don't know, but this is so nice. Look at her boots. They are shiny, and the gradient here is pretty cool too. It goes from white to pink. I love this color scheme. This is pretty. This is a pretty Molly. Oh yay. Should not have a stand. Wait. It's a card. Card's cool. I like the design of the card. Explorer of parallel time and space. Parallel. You get what I mean? Heartfelt words. That's nice. The card is cool. I might just collect the cards. Unboxing Molly number 2. Okay, well, we have heartfelt words, so any Care Bear would do for me right now. The design is growing on me, like how cool she is. Okay, we didn't talk about the bags. Didn't expect really bright bags from this series, but the design is cool. Y2K vibes-ish. And she is, whoa! That's cool! She's a Tetris astronaut? I know, but it is we've got the but Tetris, yeah. Tetris one. I used to be so obsessed with Tetris when I was a kid. Like, what was wrong with me? I don't know. Maybe it was like a 90s baby kind of thing. It was like before the Game Boy was invented. Yeah. So, I really enjoyed playing it. And it was, usually the game consoles were really cheap for Tetris games. Okay, I'm much smarter now, so. Yeah. Look at her pretty cool gun, guys. That is so cool. Love it. I think this series is growing on me. Look at her back. I don't know, is this her oxygen tank? Or is it her jet fuel? Jet packs? What is she? She's a traveler of time in parallel time and space. That's cool. She has like Tetris bricks. Pew pew, pew pew. So we got 2 really cool characters already. So now I'm hoping for a Care Bear. Just one Care Bear, please. Spoilers. Oh, wait. I didn't see the back of the bag. This is cool. It's different. Explorer parallel time space. Okay. It's the Care Bear one. Oh wait, this one? What helmet? Damn, is not transparent. Oh shoot, that's pretty freaking cute, guys. What the heck? That's so. Do you see her eyes? That's so stinking cute. What? Wait, what bear is this? She's the good luck bear. The good luck bear. That's so cute. I love the eyes. Look at that. Helmet's cute. And then you take off the helmet. It's even cuter. What? This is really growing on me, this series. Look at this, Molly. Are you seeing her eyes? God, staring into your soul with heart shapes in them. That's freaking so cute. Okay. Oh. Do they all come with this? Because I didn't remove any. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? They all have this sticky tape at the side. That's cool. Okay. Wait a minute. Her tiny gun in a big bag. It's just green and white. Every gun also has this teeny tiny Molly written on it. Stinking cute. I love miniature stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look. She's a Care Bear with a gun. Gosh. Look at that. Look at the 4-leaf clover on everything. On her jetpack slash oxygen tanks. That's cool. That's cool. That is cool as hell. I love it. I love it. I love this one. This is gonna be, oh my god, look at the heart on her buttons. That's so cool. I love it. So this right now is number 1. This is gonna move. I feel like there's gonna be so much more that I want. Number 4. We're going through this faster than I thought we would. Maybe because the Pino Jelly has more boxes. I felt like that video went on forever. Thank God everything is cute. What is this? I'm getting kind of excited to unbox these, and the characters are getting more and more interesting. Oh no, we've got the basement. This wasn't something that I wanted because I'm scared. The cat face freaks me out. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the creepy stuff, so skull penders are a little hard for me. I'm very sure he's an artist. I'm gonna go look him up. I have seen this character many times. I just didn't know where it was from, or if it was a cartoon character. I'm very sure this is the eyes, because like, it's huge. That's what's freaking me out. I'm glad the Molly isn't scary. Just a helmet. So I can do this. That's fine. Let's see his back. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. This is cool. This is... Ooh. It's just pom-poms, but that's a cool mix. Like, this is a cool mix of colors. Okay, let's take a look at the gun. Let's do this. This is the Gary Basement. Okay, let's look him up, guys. The gun. It's not a gun, is it? I don't know. Is it a gun? Laser gun? There you go, the teeny Molly inscription. Nice. Okay, not my favorite test Molly out there. But there are some redeeming qualities. Why is this Molly like this? Why is it like this? How is this supposed to go? Oh, the gun. The gun was in a weird position. Okay, so this is gonna go like really, really, really far away. It's probably gonna go like 10. It's gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, there's only 9 boxes. So he's not even in. He's not even in the list. It's too scary for me. Like, oh man, that's just not it for me. Okay, just gonna, I can't. Sorry guys, it's always gonna be like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so next one. Well, we've got a basement, so like anything else would do. I was hoping to get a secret to replace the basement, but I don't know. Do you guys get scared when things get a little too fierce looking? Like some skull pendants kind of scared me. Like the Addams Family collection. It's something I can never collect. Our next one, I hope it's a Care Bear. It's Garfield. That's cute. It's cute stuff. And I've only seen his back. A lasagna loving kitty cat. I used to read his comics a lot when I was a kid. Ta-da! The Molly's cool too. Very. Look at the Garfield tag. It's everything. That's cute. That is adorbs. Yes. Loving this one. Yay. I like it. It's cool. Yeah, it's something I'll collect. It's cool. I like him with, because of the ears, with the helmet on. I also like him without the helmet because the Molly eyes are pretty in orange. I'm not a big fan of the color orange, but this is cool. I like it. Yes. And the tail, come on. Looks exactly like the comics. That's cute. That's adorable. Okay, this is a win. This is a great piece. We don't need the card to know it's a Garfield. I'm happy about this one. Garfield's gun. This, I think I like Garfield more. Okay, so we have 4 more to go. I kind of want the secret, but also I want the Care Bear. It's Ted. Not a big fan because I wasn't a big fan of the movie, but this is the Ted 2 movie. Also not a big fan of the green. It's just really shiny. I'm not a big fan of the color green, like especially this shade, but the green is shiny on this one. Aw, not gonna lie, Molly's growing on me. Her eyes are very pretty. And her pout. Okay, I might collect some. That's a cute piece too. Not a big fan of the movie or Ted or this design because of the colors mostly, but it's cute like this. Okay, let's see what he comes with. A gun, which is also in this same color scheme. Molly's are pretty straightforward. Nothing much to get at. Nothing much that's too different from one another, so I keep forgetting to remove these. Yeah, I mean, you get the idea. It's also not my favorite, but I like it better than the basement one, so there he goes. Okay, a Care Bear, please. I'm ready for a Care Bear now. We're left with a Tender Heart Bear, Peach 2016, and Graffiti. So maybe we still have a chance for a secret. I'm not very lucky with secrets, so I don't have much hope. We've got... Wait, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Is it graffiti? I think so. Yeah, we got gravity. Gravity. Graffiti. Okay. The colors kind of remind me of Coca-Cola. It's making me want some. So, I should probably read up on this design too because I have no idea what the 5th means. Is it the 5th anniversary of Molly? I don't think so, right? I don't know, but I'll look it up and I'll let you guys know. And we have like plastic balls inside. It's called Graffiti, so she has some paint, I'm guessing, on her hands and on her canisters at the back. And her helmet too. Everything else is translucent, transparent. Her body's transparent. These, gosh. The sides are transparent. Wait, you know what? I forgot about her gun. It's right here. The gun has some graffiti on it, some paint splattered on it. You can't see the Molly inscription anymore because the paint's covering it, and it goes here on the glove with paint on it too. Cool. It's cool. It looks much cooler with the gun. I like this a little bit more than 10. So it's gonna go there. We are left with, I think I'm looking forward to Peach 20161. Excited for those. I should probably make like Molly videos as ASMR videos because there's nothing much to describe. The designs are pretty straightforward. Let's see, do we get a secret? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. She looks like a skull bender here with the ears. That's really cute. This is a gun. In the big ass bag. She looks like a mouse. That's cute. That's cute. Okay. I like the color scheme too. Yellow and pink surprisingly goes really well together. She's in like different shades of pink, and her sides are like translucent pink. It's pretty cool too. I like it. This is a surprisingly nice one. The Peach 2016. Boop. That's cute. Yeah, I like her. This one, this is a cute piece. Okay, yeah, that's nice. I like the setup. We're down to our last Molly. Do we get a secret? Or do we get Tender Heart Bear? I need to go look at the secret too. Just, you know, to see what I'm missing out on. Okay. We got Tender Heart Bear. That's cute. She's cute. I like her. She's very brown. The heart eyes. It's killing me. It's back. It's back to tell me that I should collect Molly's. Oh, that's cute. With the heart shapes, I can't. The Care Bear ones are cute. Mainly because I love the eyes. Tender heart. Heart. This is adorable. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That's pretty freaking cute. This is a cute design. I like it. I'm gonna keep this one. For space boots. Yay, I like it. I like this one. This is gonna make me collect Molly's. I love the... Wait. You know what? We forgot her gun. Again. It's a gun. Care Bear with the gun. Oh, I love tiny things, so unboxing Molly has been fun. I actually look forward to the tiny guns. Ta-da! I'm getting better at this. And she is the Tender Heart. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing our Mollies as much as I did. See you at the next one. Good night, everybody. Bye.